Okay, as you can see, Z here is curing the graph here to where it'll stick. And he's working his magic on her. And this is why I only let Z touch my car. That's Black Beauty. He's one of a kind artist. So Z, how long have you been doing working?
I've been doing this 5 years now.
5 years, yeah.
5 years, countless and thousands of hours.
Well, it pays off. Every time he hears Black Beauty's coming,
I always get tricky.
he gets excited. All right, let's walk over here to the front. This is his masterpiece here. So we're just doing.
Yeah, no, it's lined up.
Yep. So we're just doing a touch up because it's been a month. Nope.
No, I can't. No, that one. This one here, you'll be alright. We tucked that one pretty good.
And I even got the corners of these.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Alright guys, that's going to cut it for today. So thank you for tuning in to Black Beauty's channel. And I will fill you in on any more updates we have. Alright, catch you later.